Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone Dome Glass EZ screen protector for your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now this box comes with two packages, so we're going to open up and let's have a look, see what you're going to get inside. Now the top here is glued together, so we need to pull it apart. See, the glue is quite hard to open, and I have to rip it open. Okay, out comes the package. Okay, so it is in this clear plastic tray, and there is also a white frame to help us install the glass. And there is a package right here. In this plastic package there is a dust absorber to remove the dust, helping you install the screen correctly. And we've got the wipes right here and the alcohol cleaning cloths to help you clean the screen before installing the screen protector. Okay, so they said there are two packages in here, so let's have a look. So we've got one pack in here. I'm just going to pull it out so you can see. Okay, so you have the frame right here. It's a very basic frame that you put on to your phone display. And then what you want to do is just simply remove the screen protector away from the base, and then you place it on top of your screen like that, and then you'll be able to install it quite easy, and hence the name EZ Dome Glass EZ. They're quite easy to install. You don't make mistakes because of the a supporting frame around the edge. And that's it. So that's all you get inside your package. So you get two pack. So if sometimes down the track, if this one gets broken, you can use the replacement, and you can use the second package, which is exactly the same as the first one. And that's it. So that is everything inside the Whitestone Dome Glass EZ Glass, or the EZ screen protector for your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.